So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Chatgpt custom instructions. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So OpenAI Chatgpt is taking the world by storm in the past few weeks right now. So the updates are continuously raising the bar of what you can do in the state-of-art language model, which is called Chatgpt. So here we will take a deep dive on what the new recent announcement made by OpenAI or the custom instructions for ChatGPT. So this feature is initially available in beta users with ChatGPT Plus plan, and it's currently already available in the normal versions, as you can see right here. So gradually it will be expanded to other users in the next several weeks as per OpenAI's release announcement. So this feature is not yet available in UK or the European parts of the world, so you can learn how to use ChatGPT and discover its best practice for writing prompts and explore common business use case for the powerful AI taken by taking Introduction to ChatGPT. So here I'll be teaching you how to use the custom instructions. So it's located in the bottom left corner of your screen in your own tab with your name on it and your picture. And right here, just go to custom instructions, and as you can see here, there's custom instructions. So you have to understand what is ChatGPT's custom instructions. So the custom instructions features makes ChatGPT more powerful by incorporating your preferences or specifications that you wish ChatGPT to take into account each time you generate responses. So this model will consistently consider these instructions whenever it responds, eliminating the need for you to repeat your preferences in an orderly manner. So for use case example, maybe imagine devising a lesson plan without the need of repeatedly mentioning that you're teaching a third grade science lecture, or likewise a developer striving for efficient code in Python or Java. So you can state their preferences like just once, and ChatGPT will consider this and over again. So here, let's just say I am a teacher in college teaching computer science using Java. So there you go. So you don't have to repeat yourself and over again to ChatGPT that you are teaching computer science and you're using the Java syntax program or the syntax language for your liking. So here there are thought starters that are located in the right side of your corner screen. So the thought starters are like word you based. So let's just say, and I teach in Harvard, something like that, in Harvard. And I am a teacher in college. So there you go. So what are your hobbies, your interests? You might want to add it so it can learn from you, and ChatGPT will learn from that. So what subjects can you talk about for hours? So you can talk about how you can talk about OS and other things like that. So what are some goals you have in mind and other things like that too. So basically here, you just want a concise answer. So here, I have already prompted ChatGPT how would I like it to respond. So you can set up these instructions right here. So as you can see that the thought starters in the right side, you can read that right there. So how formal or casual should you ChatGPT be only? So I have written here I only want a casual answer, and I also want a concise answer only. So those are the things I only want. It will give me that in just a moment. So just give me the important and no important details and no more. So just remain neutral when answering a question. So it has here, so should ChatGPT be neutral or be opinionated when giving on topics, or remain neutral. So you can enable this for new chats right here. So it will be applied right now. As we are waiting, it's just gonna load up our instructions. So as you can see that there's an issue, but there's a lot of users right now, so it can be placed there in a matter of time. So let's say I want a code in Java. I want a code. Wait, we already have mentioned that we're working on Java. So let's see if it works, that it will give us a Java code automatically. So I want a code that works like an ATM machine and could have an executable class true. So let's see if it gives us a Java code. And as you can see right there, it has given the code for a Java programming language as we have prompted in our custom instruction already. So as you can see here, it did not give us any other information that we didn't need. So it just explains that simply that this code is an ATM that deposits and withdraws balance the check method, and the main method creates an instance of the ATM and provides a simple command line interface. So this is going to be useful for coders and other people with good professions that need Chatgpt as their baseline and their borderline preferences too. So as you can see here, we have prompted it to have Java. So let's try to do it in Python with our custom instruction right now. So let's say we're using Python right here. And let's see if it gives us a Python code already. So there you go. Let's regenerate this. And it did not. So it only works on new chats as I have mentioned. So give me a code that runs like an ATM. So let's see if it gives us a Python code. And as you can see here, with our new prompt, with our custom instruction, it has given us a Python code, and I don't have to repeat myself over and over again with the custom instructions given to it precisely and concisely. So as you can see here, it has said that certainly here's a simple Python code snippet that stimulates an ATM in Python code right here. So we can also work on other things like having professions and other things like that. So perhaps let's say you're a third grade teacher. I am a third grade teacher teaching science. And so let's see if it will give us this type of pure and just simple answer. So let's go to our new chat. So I want the information of the solar system. So let's see if it gives us a precise answer that only corresponds to third graders in our education system. So here, certainly the solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets and their moons and various other celestial objects. And at C, thus only has given us a simple answer that we don't need anything more complex. So it has given us a corresponding answer that I have given it with the custom instructions. And there you go, guys. That is how you use your custom instructions with Chatgpt. I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.